Hello everyone, it's Jahani here again. Look, COVID-19 has been affecting everyone, so you know, most people are self-isolating, staying away from each other, you know, social distancing and all that sort of stuff, which is good. All those messages are out there, that's great. You got to do something to stay sane while being safe. So Emma and I have decided to come out, do some fishing. So we've just come out to the port, entrance point we call it. That's Simpson Beach over there, another popular spot for fishing for locals. Emma caught a fish, of course. I'll let you watch the video after this to see what that is if you want. But look, just getting out and, you know, getting some sun, getting some fresh air and away from those four walls and the TV was good. So, you know, it was nice. I'm actually having a nice little swim at the moment, just to cool off before I leave. And I'm really appreciative of this nice cool water. Anyway, I'll let you get back to your self-isolation and whatever else you're doing, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, look at all these fish swimming around. I'll stick you in there and you can have a look. Alright, I'm sure you've had enough of seeing my face. I'll see you later. See if we can catch something big. Live bait. What'd you get?
A little grunter.
Little grunter.
Nice little pan size.
Well, it looks big from here.